In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Google Sites. So I'll show you how to verify that the domain is actually yours by adding the txt record, and how you can then also add your other DNS records, and basically just how that works. So to do this, first go and open up Google Sites. From there, go and open up the site that you want to connect your Namecheap domain to, and then after doing that, go to Settings in the top right. From there, go to Custom Domains and click Connect Domain. Now here you will need to enter your domain. To find this, simply open up Namecheap and then go to Account here and then click Dashboard. Then go to your domain list, and here you'll find all of your domains. So just click on the one that you want to add to Google Sites and click Manage. And then here you can copy your domain. Then paste it in right here. So for me it's danimakestutorials.online, and now currently it's not verified. So click Verify Your Ownership, and it's pretty simple. Under domain, it will automatically enter the domain, make sure it's correct, and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. For example, for me, it just signed me into a different Google account, so I'll just sign into the correct one. So the correct Google account is the one that is also connected to your Google site, so just make sure it's the same one, and then click Continue. Then it's checking verification. So now what you need to do is add a txt record. So simply copy this right here, and now open up Namecheap. Go to Advanced DNS, and if you have any DNS records set up, simply remove those, and then here under Host Records, click Add New Record, and search for txt record and select it. And for the host, enter the add, and then value, and then for value, paste in what you just copied on Google Sites and click Save Changes. So for me right here, it's now been added. Now open up the Google Search Console right here again and click Verify. Now it doesn't always work instantly, so if you added it correctly, just like I did right here with the verification in the value of your txt record under host records, then you did it correctly, but it can take a few minutes, even a few hours to propagate. So you may need to wait for a little bit, and in the meantime it could say that it failed. In my case it took about 1 minute, and it now says ownership verified. Now click on Done and go back to Google Sites. Now just click Cancel and just refresh. And then again go to Settings, Custom Domains, connect a domain, and now simply type in the domain again. And now it should have the check mark. From there click Next, and now here you need to add the other DNS records. So in a separate tab, sign into your domain registrar's website. We've already done that. Then go to your DNS records, and then under CNAME value or alias, enter www. What you just want to go and do is copy this ghs.googlehosted.com, and then open up your DNS records here, click on Add New Record, select a CNAME, then under host type in www.target.ghs.googlehosted.com and click Save Changes. From there click Done, and then it's assigning the domain and checking if you have connected it. From there you will now have under connected domains danimakestutorials.online, which is my domain, and you have now connected it to your Google site. So now as you can see, if I go to the publish options right here and click on publish settings, right now this is the normal web address, but the site is also viewable at danimakestutorials.online, which means if I now go to this web page, it will take me to my Google Sites page. So now you know how to connect your Namecheap domain to Google Sites. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.